Welcome. I'm back in the kitchen, got myself an apron, and I thought it would be fun to make some garlic sauce today. Now, I like me some garlic sauce, but I never made it myself, so I'm curious how different the taste will be from store-bought. It is actually quite easy to make garlic sauce. However, the ingredients were quite a surprise for me, because what you need is about 170 grams or 3/4 cup of Greek yogurt. And to that yogurt, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of mayo. This should probably be 2 tablespoons. Yes, you heard it right. Mayo combined with yogurt. But we're not quite done yet, because we're also going to add honey. 1 tablespoon of honey. To this strange mixture, we're going to add a pinch of salt and pepper, black pepper. The juice of half a lemon. And of course, because it's garlic sauce, we're going to add garlic. 2 toasts for this recipe, but if you want a lot of garlic, you can add more garlic. We're going to squeeze it into pulp. And then we're going to mix everything together. And as final touch, I'm going to add some chives for the green and the taste. And there you go, quick and easy homemade garlic sauce. Okay then, I got some bread here to taste and my homemade garlic sauce. Doesn't really smell like garlic sauce, more like yogurt. So let's see how it tastes. Oh, oh yeah, that tastes like garlic sauce. It's quite a strong garlic taste. It tastes much fresher than the ones on the store. And it has more bite because you add fresh garlic. So I suppose that helps as well. It's pretty good garlic sauce.
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe if you enjoy my content.